back.
So yeah.
Pero wala pa rin kami sa Baywalk. It's kind of far from our school, but
it's a long walk.
Yeah. But you can always grab some tricycle if you're rich. Pero kung kayang-kaya namang lakarin, matagal nga lang.
We are used at walking if we are,
Buti na lang I'm not wearing my heels today, so I'm wearing my slippers.
Yeah. I'm not wearing my necktie because I
kasi
don't know how to tie my necktie.
So responsible student kasi ako talaga. So, hi Romer, where's my Choco Power? Have you been finding
it? The number one paasa here is Romer.
Lahat ay sumayaw, sige walang titigil. Halina't magsaya, sige walang pipigil. Tayo'y sabay-sabay, itaas na ang kamay. Lahat ay sumayaw, sige walang titigil. Nana, eyo, eyo, nana.
So, nandito na kami sa Baywalk.
Yes!
Yeah, so nothing special because it's still early. So wala pa masyadong pagkain. So,
Kung gusto nyong makakain ng iba't ibang klase ng street foods, you should come here, exactly 7, marami ng street foods
wala
dito.
pa.
Wala.
7 a.m. 7 a.m. nga eh.
7 p.m.
Uy, hindi naman mga 3 pwede na.
Oo nga pala.
3. It's calamari.
It's Izaw.
Yeah, so... Hello.
So guys, we're now, masaya po kami ngayon kasi
We're nagala.
yes, nagala at marami tayong nasasaksihan dito mga kabataan. So ito po, magbibideo muna po kami at baka po makaalis po itong mga batang ito. Keep in touch na lang po. Thank you po very much.
Enjoy Philippines!
So now we are heading to our school na.
Yes.
We're heading home. We're so tired. Doing this kind of project is kind of exhausting.
And we're speaking English because
We are practicing our English skills because we have encountered some foreigner there.
I wanna greet my fans there.
In every vlog, she will greet her fans.
Thank you so much for supporting me. I really appreciate it, and I hope you guys take care of Don't forget to thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up if you like. Don't forget to thumbs up if you subscribe.
And don't forget to subscribe in our channel. Yes. Then comment down below your ideas and suggestions. What should we film next videos? Yes, ito. Then comment down below kung ano yung gagawin nyo if you encountered some foreigners there. But
You have no English with you.
yes, you
don't bring.
because your packet of English is ubos na. Yes. What will you do?
So I have noticed that their nose are so
Pointed.
And I was like, nakakahiya. Their muscles, their chest muscles are. Yes, did you see the pose of the boy? Oh my God.
Nakakaya yung mga ilong namin doon.
Yes.
And
yung height namin.
Yes, yung height nila. Alam mo yung parang pang Miss Universe na agad sila.
Yes. And may tricycle sa likod. Ay, we're heading to our school and ang haba na ng mga lakaran nito. Yes. Bagyan na naman.
Our feet is...
Thankfully, I'm not wearing my heels for the second time I've wear.
And my arms is now... Yes, we need to stretch.
Sa mga kaklase ko na hindi sumama, pagsisisihan nyo. Hindi kayo pumasok. Pagsisisihan nyo talaga.
Hindi nyo nakita yung magandang babae.
We did not sleep Hindi kami natulog rin ng umaga para lang pumasok ng maaga. And then you guys are still here.
Nakakasakit sa damdamin.
Pero at least hindi tayo drawing. May nagawa naman tayo.
Oo, nakakatuwa naman. Kala ko nga wala magagawa eh.
Akala ko kaya ang normal na pasok ng Monday ay 12. Totoo naman.
So, hindi ko rin naman sila masisisi kung yun yung magiging dahilan nila mamaya. Na ang normal na pasok day ay 12.
Yes. Kung hindi ko binasa.
Kung hindi mo binasa na.
Oo.
Sana hindi daw nila nasin yung message ko. No, I messaged them last night, you know, that we will have a shooting for our project in religion.
Bilis natin maglakad.
Payat na po kami. Hello po! So, we are so... Yes. So, ito po yung Banahaw. Gusto po nilang pumunta doon. But we don't have money.
200.
It's just
Go
200.
there is that you're gonna...
The atmosphere? Or
The
massage?
feeling after the, oh my God.
Tatanggalin mo yung clothes.
Ayoko na
Kaya
diba?
tinatagtag ang clothes?
And walking and walking and
Walking.
And we're tired na. And hungry.
So again, guys, you know, pagtatawid.
let's go.
No. Yes. Woo! So guys, remember na tumawid sa pedestrian lane kasi pag di tumatawid sa pedestrian lane, jaywalking. But we are in a province. It's not uso here.
Yeah, because province is
nasasakyan
a very, very, very beautiful country.
country is place.
Yeah.
So yes, here's Beboy. She is the owner of this phone.
Yeah.
And you know, she's...
And I'm so beautiful.
Yes, you're beautiful here. Twerk it like Mali. You know, Beboy is one of my friends who mulat me in the K-pop world.
Yeah.
Yes.
Who wake you up? Who wake him up? When
Yes.
September ends.
No, so we're a K-pop fan. I am an EXO fan. Yes. And Beboy is a multi-fandom fan. Marami siyang fandom na sinasalihan.
I'm so very, very tired. And I can...
Beboy is ang line ng K-pop song.
Oh, noon ka. Yeah.
Nakatapa ko eh. So yes, now we are here at San Guillermo Parish Church. Ang haba naman. Tama ba ako? Parokya ni San Guillermo.
Yeah.
So now, we are here. We should minimize our voice because you know, it's our school na.
We're entering the school.
Yes. Hello, Kuya Eddie. Say hi. That's our cutie guard.
Oh my goodness.
It's so cute.
He's very cute.
Sometimes he's angry, you know, with
You know,
us.
I'm
diba?
so hungry.
So yes, that's Melanie and Talili having fun.
Welcome to San Guillermo.
Yes, you know, sometimes we will make a video. We will tour you at our school.
Welcome to the SGA. We're beautiful.
We're now entering at the
the zombie!
department.
Oh my God! Zombie! Mamatay na anak ko!
Hindi ko alam kay Beboy. So, we can run out because we are the only persons here. Kami lang yung tao dito.
Kasi kami pa lang yung grade 11 eh.
I'm so...
10 people rocks.
So yes, we have here our grade 11 students. Yes. So, it's so tiresome. I feel so free. It's like a fantasy. What are you singing? So guys, gonna stop it na for a while muna dahil it's hunga-hunga. Bye-bye! So guys, that's all for today. Oh my God, if you enjoy watching this video,
Give it a thumbs up.
so comment down below your suggestions, your ideas for the next videos we should film. So guys, don't forget to subscribe guys. So guys, thank you. See you next week. Bye-bye.